So today we're going to go over the 145x4 link belt excavator. A lot of the little details that we like in this bad boy. First, starting off with the access panels. That'll get to all of our fluid and everything we need to, filters, all sorts of good stuff. Quick, easy, simple, very nice. Water separators, easy access. Doors actually latch open so they don't get caught in the air and hit you in the back. Over here, our hydraulics, air, all that good sorts of stuff. Wash fluid, coolers. Got our fire extinguisher, our switch, change controls. Come up in here. Got our def tank. Fill for def fluid. All the way up here. That's the old steps. Got our fill for diesel. Come back up in here, got a nice little platform to stand on. Here's our power plant for the bad boy. Gotta check fluids, get right to everything. Nice, easy access. We come up here in the cab. Got a nice amount of room. Good amount of foot space up in here. Nice air ride seat. Plenty of room for me and the bugs to get up in here. Then we got all the bells and whistles too. Good old Bluetooth stereo. Then if you ain't got Bluetooth, got all the aux cord. You can hook your phone up to the USB, charge your phone. Let alone it's got 12 volt right there. Then, don't see this very often, got a 24 volt little cigarette lighter. Come over here, got our heater. Not just regular heater, you get nice blowing in the face. Them ducts right there, can change it over, face and the back, or we even got feet ducts down here. So you can keep them toes nice and warm. Frost, of course, which is very nice. Recirculate to keep it in the cab. Thing's even got an auto temp on it. We'll come over here, we got our heads up display. Come in here. The nifty features is you got an auto idle down. You got auto idle down and auto shut off, where if the engine's running too long, you shut it down. Select which ones you want on. And of course, you got 2 speeds, which is really convenient when you're tracking. Come in here, got all of this, tell you how much fuel you're consuming per hour. Machine information, all your idle speeds, voltage, all that good stuff. Maintenance tracker. Whole configuration, language, camera indicator, all sorts of good stuff. Even camera guidelines for your backup camera. And you can come over here, set up different auxiliary hydraulics. They'll have a breaker, crusher, how much pressure you want to put to them, all sorts of good stuff. Then take the regen, make it manual, or take it and make it automatic.
Did you know that throttle, one of those positions, is for a crane operation?
Really? No, I didn't.
Yep.
That I did not know.
Yep.
Ain't that nifty?
Powers up everything, but it desensitizes your movement, so it's slower.
Ah.
So if you're operating like a crane, lifting something, moving it, makes it smoother.
One of the biggest things I like about this bad puppy is how fast it swings. This thing gets nasty. And then on top of it, you got 3 different settings for your speed. You really kick it up there. This stuff just gets after it. It is ridiculous on the amount of swing power this thing has. It does get carried away. It will go very fast. Like I said, tons of room. Put the pooch up in here with me. Very, very powerful excavator. Like all the little bells and whistles you can take and have your stereo on. You jam it in here. Just reach over here on the thumb button when somebody walks up. And just silence it real fast. Same thing with the idle. Just reach over here, hit this button, shut the idle down. Talk real fast, be like, dude, be back to work. Otherwise, I think this is a pretty darn good machine.